Slow English Podcast.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode. My name is Sarah, and in this podcast we will talk about a simple recipe for success. Don't worry, it's not a magic recipe, it's something anyone can follow. Every success story begins with one important ingredient: a clear goal. A goal is like a map. It tells you where you want to go. For example, maybe your goal is to learn English, start a small business, or become healthier. When your goal is clear, your path becomes easier. The second ingredient is small daily actions. You don't need to make big changes all at once. Just do something small every day. Read one page. Learn one new word. Walk for 10 minutes. Small steps create big results over time. The third ingredient is patience. Success takes time. Nobody becomes great in one day. If you feel tired or discouraged, remember this: consistency is more important than speed. Keep going, even slowly. The next ingredient is learning from your mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. They are lessons. They show you what to change next time. Every successful person has made many mistakes, and that's normal. The final ingredient is self-belief. You must trust that you can do it. Even if things are difficult, remind yourself, I am improving every day. When you believe in yourself, your actions become stronger. So, the simple recipe for success is a clear goal, small steps, patience, learning from mistakes, and believing in yourself. Thank you for listening to today's episode. I hope this inspires you to take one small step today. See you in the next podcast.